Hi guys, it's Coach Tony Morgan. I just want to give you an update on what I'm doing because I've been really busy in the background. As you can see behind the background here, you can see I'm getting involved with electric boilers. So electric boilers is a big part of what I do, and it's also what I'm going to be showing you guys what you can do in this great industry what we're in. I'm going to be restructuring. I'm going to be bringing out new programs, the new mentorship program, which I'm currently working on. It's going to involve this classroom. It's going to be giving you some really exciting stuff, insights. You can do hands-on stuff. You're going to take boilers apart, put them back together, so you can really learn about what's going on in the classroom environment. But you can also have my experience, my know-how, tutorials, going through how everything works. So I'm going to be really excited for when you guys arrive here. So be patient, I'm working on it. I've got one of my students, Marius, who's helping me put some, I'm going to put an venting cylinder, so we're going to put an expansion vessel here, and then we're going to get some pipe work done. We're going to connect all this up. You can see some pipes there getting done, but it's not done yet. We've got electrics, we've got, this represents a Honeywell Y plan. We can also have an S plan. Some other things for you. You can have gas boilers as well. You can go through the Valiant, going through Baxter, Worcester. So we're going to be doing that. Lots of stuff on different things. So I'm really excited what I'm going to be presenting for you guys. So be patient. Like I said, it's coming soon. Don't worry. So click on the link below and you can register. Just give me your email address details. I'll put my link on. You can get everything what you need, and I'll be back in touch with you guys. So stay cool.